Good evening. This is a little presentation on how to change the grading scheme in Canvas. We're finding that for our final grades that our grade books and final grades in Canvas aren't kind of syncing up, and so one of the issues is that Canvas uses a little different grading scale than we do as its default. So I want to show you how to change it very quickly and simply. And so I'm just picked one of my courses here, and so let's just go with this one right here. And so go down to the left to settings, click that, and then scroll about halfway down and you see grading scheme. And so you want to click the box to enable your course grading scheme, and then set your scheme. Now this is Canvas's default grading scheme, which is an A runs from 100% to 94%, or a little bit less than 94, so or more than 94. So this isn't what we're using. We're using a 10-point scale, and so what we need to do is to change it. And so we want to go to down here to the bottom to manage grading schemes and click that. And since we don't have any scheme, we need to add one. And so I'm going to call this Brady's grading scheme, for lack of a better term. And then I go to A right here. It's 100%, and I want to change that 94 to 90. And so now that's done. I don't want this A minus, so I'm going to get rid of it, and also the B plus. And so my B now is going to be anything less than 90. And now I change the 84 to 80. And I'm going to delete the B minus and C plus. And so my C now is less than 80, and change the 74 to 70. And so I'm now going to get rid of the C minus and D plus. And so my D is going to be less than 70. And now it is D is 60. And I'll get rid of the D minus. And now my F is less than 60 to 0, and I will click save, and it is done. And so there's my scheme. And so now I go back to settings, scroll down to grading scheme, and I'm now going to enable my scheme. And so click the box, set grading scheme. And so I don't want this one, so now I will select another grading scheme, and there's mine that I just created, and now I'm going to use it. Now you'll probably have to do this for every course, and it doesn't take a whole lot of time. And I don't know if you could save the scheme to your settings and it populate through all of the courses. All I did was just go through each one, and of course click done here, and there it is. It's enabled. Now make sure you scroll down and update your course details. That's very important, because nothing gets saved until you update it. And so now you're done.